Dick, what are we doing this morning?
Well, the crown of this old dead tree down here was knocked off last year during Hurricane Michael down by the water. So I'm going to go down there and chop that thing into little pieces.
With that? It'll take you forever.
Well, I agree. That would. But I have it. I decided to break out the Husky today.
Oh, thank God.
The 455 Rancher.
I was worried.
So I'll give the steel a break. It was kind of running funny. I think I might need to tune that up. Last time I used it was running a little funny. So I just fired up the Husky. I think it's gonna run pretty good. I've had that chainsaw for at least over a decade now, I think. Alright, so I'm gonna cruise down the hill. So the fun part will be later on trying to get that stuff back up the hill without killing ourselves, because I think it might be kind of risky to take the tractor and the grapple down that steep hill.
Yeah,
I'm working on a hillside.
I'm not sure what the slope is, but I definitely would.
It's a good slope. Yeah. When the guy delivered the tractor, I showed it to him and I said, "What do you think? Can the tractor handle this?" He goes, "Oh yeah, it can handle it."
Yeah, because he ain't the one doing it.
Yeah, exactly. So I'm thinking, I think in this way, the big thing about it is you don't want to go downhill with your front wheels, right? Because if the back wheels come off the ground, then you got no control, right? Now in this case, our tractor has fluid wheels.
I'm still listening to you, but there have been some beautiful butterflies.
Yeah, the azaleas are starting to pop, man.
Yeah.
So anyway, I think you might be able to back down the hills pretty safe and then drive back up with a load. So we'll see if the pucker factor goes up on that trip later on. But we've been up and down the thing many times.
Yeah, with the gator. Yeah.
Not necessarily. We'll cut them into small pieces and throw them in the back of the gator because it's an old rotten tree anyway. It needs to go right on the burn pile.
Look how many beautiful little butterflies.
Off I go!
Off he goes! And while he gets to drive down there, I have to walk. Are you planning on putting any of those limbs in the gator?
Yeah, I'm trying to put them in a gator. Trying to get this small enough to put in the gator. It's going to be fun dragging it up the hill, that's for sure. All these little limbs here. Alright, let me get the chainsaw out. I think it'll go a little faster.
Hey, Dick, what you doing?
Well, we're gonna split some logs. Make some firewood. So, before we can do that, we're gonna have to add some fuel. See what I can do here.
So this tree came from the back side of the house where it is quite steep.
Yeah, real fun. This is
Kind of
Hurricane
later.
Michael's firewood gift. The tree was a hollowed out oak tree. It just kind of top broke off of it. But the hollowed out main part of the tree is still there. One pull.
Which ear is that?
You might want to pull that forward a little bit. Just a little bit.
crashes down. You said we're gonna be alone here. Tell me it was just a bad dream when the world crashes down.
So guys, if you're just joining us, Tanantha lost a bet. This pool is very, very cold. By very, very cold, I mean she's probably going to scream when she jumps in. That being said,
No
When
screaming.
I come back up.
No screaming. I don't want you waking up the neighbors.
it's Easter Sunday. They're at church.
But not the well, it could be a sunrise service.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're at church. I think you're good.
Oh my goodness, it's cold up here.
No, sweetheart.
Water's probably warmer.
I just want you to know that I'm here for you at this lap. So just quick summarization of the rules. She has to jump in, fully submerge herself, and then walk from that side of the pool all the way to the other side of the pool before she can get out. This is to make up for her not doing the polar bear plunge
Yep.
and for making me wear a chicken suit in Baltimore.
I didn't do that. You lost that bet. That was a completely different bet.
No, this is actually true. I feel like I need to be in frame for this.
Huh?
I feel like I need to be in frame for this. Here, I'll just come over
While
here.
he's holding his warm cup of Joe.
I know.
Right.
Look at that
Alright.
sun on his neck, man.
All right. You ready, Tanantha?
Nope.
Can't think about it.
I know, I'm trying not to. Alright.
So once you go under, just start heading in that direction, even before you come up.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Alright.
Want me to count you down?
No. Alright.
Ooh, there she goes.
Gosh, and she's out of there.
You're almost there. Almost there. There's towels. You got
Woo!
it. You got it.
Oh my goodness. Woo! It's not too bad. It wasn't as cold as I thought it was gonna be.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, but it's still cold. It's a shock.
Yeah, it's like 62 or 64.
Woo!
That's mountain stream cold, you know.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, got water up my nose though. Oh my goodness.
Still awake? You awake now?
Yes.
All right, we'll go get your coffee.
Awake and
Dry
ready
off.
to work.
Sip your coffee.